How to check your GPU. Today we'll be going over how to identify which GPU you have. GPU also stands for graphics card and or graphics processing unit. Knowing which GPU you have is extremely crucial, especially when it comes to gaming and content creation. Your GPU can make the difference between things running smoothly or them not being able to run at all. Number 1, DXDiag. You're going to start by typing DXDiag in your taskbar search box on the bottom left of the screen. Click open and then you will be brought to the DXDiag window. You will see various tabs on the top of this window. Click on Display 1. The information displayed is your current GPU and its current drivers. Number 2, Device Manager. To open your Device Manager, you will type Device Manager in your taskbar search box in the bottom left of the screen and click Open. Once there, you will see a lot of options on this window. The one you want to choose is Display Adapters. This will display your current GPU. Number 3, Task Manager. To get to your Task Manager, you will press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and click the Task Manager option. You can also press Ctrl-Alt-Escape to bring you directly to the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, click on the Performance tab. Your GPU will be displayed on the bottom. The plus side of using the Task Manager is that it will also show your GPU's performance as well, which does come in handy. All in all, it really does pay off to know what your GPU is and how your GPU is running, especially when it comes to gaming and content creation today. The GPU is one of the things that I definitely recommend not shortchanging yourself on because it can save you a lot of headaches in the long run, especially if you're looking to upgrade. So today we cover the 3 ways for you to check your GPU make and model, and that is through DXDiag, Device Manager, and Task Manager. It also is very important to make sure that you have the correct drivers updated for your GPU. All in all, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys learned something new today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.